Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove iOS 26 beta on your device. So for this one, I have two methods for you to try. The first thing right now is basically going back to the reset button, making sure we reset everything, right? To do this one, you can either go to your settings, going back on the general tab right here, all the way down, there should be a reset button right here. Click on it and click on reset and erase all content and settings. After that one, you want to connect your device on your computer, basically opening up iTunes and basically click on reset and downgrade your iOS software from there. Now for those who doesn't have an iPhone, an Apple MacBook, or basically Windows PC to do the iTunes, you can either go here after resetting, go on general once again, and go back on software update. We want to make sure the automatic updates is going to be turned off. So even after resetting, we won't be able to update our software anymore to iOS 26. And that could be the secret on avoiding iOS 26 developer beta from iPhone anymore. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.